Hello, my name is Natalia and I'm a founder and the owner of the exotic, luxury, VIP and all those fancy words car rental fleet in Miami. We are called G.M.Luxe, and if you already rented a vehicle from us, then watch this video to get a tutorial of one of my female drivers to how to properly use this vehicle. If you have not rented from us, then please follow links down below this video and make your future reservation.
Hey guys, so today we have our Bentley GT V8 with us, and I just wanted to show you some functions of this car that you would like to know. So here we have the key, and it has 3 buttons: unlock, lock, and open up the trunk. So in this car we have a keyless entry, so basically you can just hold the key in your hand and just open the door and it's going to open for you. So for you guys to turn the car on, the button is over here. So you just press on the brake and tap and hold the button. There you go. So here we have our spoiler buttons, the seat ventilation, and our emergency lights. So for you guys to turn on the seat ventilation or seat heater, just simply roll the button. Here's our seat heater, 3 levels, and here is the ventilation, 3 levels. The same thing for the other side. Here we have a spoiler. So let's say when you press on this button, the rear spoiler comes out. If you press on this button, the rear spoiler comes back down. So here we have our paddle shift shifter. So for you guys to shift it to drive, you just grab it, press on the B button above, and pull it down to D. Whenever you want to put the car in sport mode, just go one more time and it's going to shift on sport. Whenever you want to go to reverse, just leave it on R. Neutral is in the middle, and back to parking. So here we have our side mirrors assist. So for you guys to adjust the right one, you just twist it here so the circle points on the right, and then you just move it around. Same thing with the left one, and move it around. If you want to close the side mirrors, just flip it all the way. So this is our extra parking brake. If you guys feel unconfident in a parking shift, you can always use the assistance of a parking brake. So for you guys to activate it, just lift the button, and whenever it's gonna turn out red, there we go, it's activated. So for you guys to then release it, you just make sure that you press on the brake and then just tap it down, and it's gonna release. So here we have our temperature controls. Let's say for you guys to then control where the air is going is those buttons up, into you, and into your legs. You can always control it with this. Your temperature controls is this button. You can control it by twisting right or left. Then here we have ventilation control and how strong it goes. AC, the ventilation of just one seat. So everything, all the controls that you need to know is over here on this panel. And here we have our radio controls and media controls. So for you guys to, if you want to adjust the way the sound goes, just press on tone, and then you'll be able to control it, balance, volume settings, bass, whatever you guys want. Here we have a radio, whatever station you want, or let's say there's a station that you need but it's not here, you can always control it with this button over here, and you're going to be twisting it and you're going to find whatever you need. If you want telephone, you just press on telephone, and then you will have to connect it in regards for it to show. And then for map, if you want to see simple map, navigation guide is here if you want to put the address, and then if you want information about the car or tire pressure, you can always press it here. So then for you guys, I just want to show you, my phone is now not connected, so I'm just showing you an example. If you want to see your telephone information, your phones obviously have to be connected. So you just press on telephone, and if your phone is connected, all the information about your contacts, your calls is going to be on the screen. So here I want to show you guys your telephone menu. I'm just showing it as an example since my phone is not connected right now. And it's a little bit complicated with this car because you have to connect your Bluetooth via your steering wheel controls, which I will show you right now. So for you guys to control your phone and to connect it with Bluetooth media, you control it with menu button. So you press on menu and keep pressing it until you find phone. Then you scroll down with this button to media player, then click on this button, and then you go into search, press again, and then it's going to start searching. And whatever your name on the phone is, like this, you press it and you wait for 1 second. And it's going to come confirm pass. You press it here, and then you also pair it on your phone. Then you will see on the screen that the phone is connected, and now you can play any music from your phone. So here then you guys can control the volume up and down by doing this, by those two buttons. Then again, if you want to switch up the menu, you press on the menu. Then to answer a phone call or hang up the phone call is this button here. To use your voice control is over this button. And then on the left we have cruise control. Let's say if you want to cancel something off the menu, you can always press this button. And basically that's all you need to know about the necessary buttons on the steering wheel. So here we have our door controllers. So let's say to lock and unlock the doors, this is for lock, this is for unlock. This is to open the gas section. Here is if you want to open the trunk. And here's our window controls. Just press up and down to open it. Those are 4 windows over here. So here we have our light controls. Right now the light is on off. Just twist it 1 time, it's going to be automatic. If you just want some inside lights and side lamps. And this is the full on light.
Thank you for watching this video and for renting from us. If you still have questions, please contact us at any time. It was our pleasure to serve you, and we're looking forward to serve you again soon. Bye!